What if I told you your engine can change how it breathes while you're driving? That's exactly what variable valve timing does, and it can boost both power and fuel economy. Variable valve timing, or VVT, adjusts when your engine's intake and exhaust valves open and close based on driving conditions. An engine doesn't need the same valve timing at idle as it does on the highway. One fixed setting can't perform perfectly in every situation. Traditional engines use fixed valve timing, forcing engineers to compromise between performance, fuel economy, and emissions. VVT automatically advances or delays valve timing to match engine speed and load, helping the engine breathe more efficiently. The heart of every VVT system is the camshaft phaser. It rotates the camshaft slightly, changing exactly when the valves open and close. The camshaft phaser doesn't move by itself. Pressurized engine oil flows into the phaser, allowing it to adjust valve timing with incredible precision. Your engine's computer constantly monitors speed, throttle position, and engine load, then tells the VVT system exactly when to adjust. At low engine speeds, VVT chooses valve timing that creates a smoother idle, cleaner combustion, and better fuel efficiency. When you press the accelerator, VVT changes valve timing to let more air enter the cylinders, producing stronger acceleration and more horsepower. Think of your engine like an athlete. The more fresh air it breathes at the right moment, the more power it can produce. VVT makes every breath count. VVT doesn't just improve performance. During normal driving, it adjusts valve timing to reduce fuel consumption, helping you travel farther on every gallon. By improving combustion efficiency, VVT helps reduce harmful exhaust emissions while keeping the engine running cleaner and smoother. When the VVT system stops working properly, your engine may lose power, waste fuel, idle roughly, and even trigger the check engine light. Because VVT relies on clean engine oil, dirty or neglected oil can clog tiny passages and prevent the system from adjusting correctly. The VVT solenoid acts like a precision valve. It controls the flow of engine oil to the camshaft phaser, allowing valve timing to change in milliseconds. Over time, dirty oil can clog the solenoid's tiny passages, slowing VVT response and reducing engine performance. Fresh engine oil keeps the VVT system clean, protects moving parts, and ensures fast, accurate valve timing every time you drive. Today, nearly every modern gasoline engine uses some form of variable valve timing to improve performance, fuel economy, and emissions. Variable valve timing helps your engine breathe smarter, produce more power, save fuel, and last longer. If you enjoyed learning how engines work from the inside, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more automotive deep dives. Now compare both engines side by side. One uses fixed valve timing, while the other adjusts in real time. The difference in efficiency is remarkable. When VVT isn't working correctly, mechanics inspect oil condition, scan engine data, and test the VVT solenoid before replacing expensive parts. Keeping your VVT system healthy is simple. Use the correct engine oil, replace it on schedule, and fix warning lights before small problems become major repairs. Without variable valve timing, modern engines wouldn't deliver the balance of power, fuel economy, and low emissions that drivers expect today. Now you know how variable valve timing helps your engine breathe smarter, run stronger, and save fuel. Follow for more videos that reveal the hidden science inside every engine.